Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to quickly and easily view the Windows Update history on your device. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to click on a search menu, and then here you need to type settings, and then you need to click open. And then once you open up here at your Windows settings, and then next step, then you need to select now this update and security, and then click. So here now at left side navigation pane, and then next step, then you need now to select this Windows update, and then click again. And then on right side, and then you need to scroll down, and then you need now to select this view update history. So see updates installed on your device, and then you need to click this view update history, and you can view now all the informations about the Windows history, like this quality update. So we have also here, and then we have also this driver update. So you can view also, click this arrow to expand, and you can view now all the successful software components updates installed on your PC. And also, you can view the other details about the definitions updates. So click again this arrow to expand. And you can view also about the successful security intelligence update for Microsoft Defender Antivirus. And also, you can view the other updates here. So click again this arrow to expand. And you can see now the successful Microsoft.NET framework installed on your PC. Alright, so that's it guys, and so simple on how to view the update history on Windows. And thanks for watching, and hopefully this video was helpful to resolve Windows Update error on your PC. And give it a thumbs up and share it with others who are having problems with Windows. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest Windows guide tutorials. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.